Welcome to VizGenie, a self-refining, domain-aware agentic workflow for next-generation scientific visualization. With VizGenie, users can explore their datasets, generate visualizations, and analyze scientific images, all within the same chat interface. Let's start by looking at the 5 fields in the user interface. The user starts a VizGenie interaction by typing a query into the user query field. The user/agent chat panel logs the interaction and response from the agent, including follow-up suggestions. The agent reasoning panel logs the agent responses and reasoning. Visualization images appear in the 2D image panel. Renderings appear in the 3D interactive VTK visualization panel. This screenshot identifies all sections with an actual use case. In this interaction, a user starts by asking about the datasets available to them. Optionally, they can continue to ask questions about the datasets. First, the user looks at a dataset of a CT scan of the head. In this example, a user asks to visualize a slice of the data. Utilizing the visual question answering system, the user can explore more about the image output. Since this is a CT scan of the human head, users can ask about head and brain-related features of the slice. The user can further explore via the feature-based queries. For this dataset, the user asks to see features such as skull, face, or teeth. The corresponding isosurface-based visualizations are available in the 3D interactive rendering window. The user can also ask for a volume rendering-based visualization for a requested feature, in this case, the skull. The next example uses the ionization front in an astrophysics dataset to focus on the code generation and modification aspect of VizGenie. The user asks VizGenie to first generate code to display a volume rendering of the ionization front. Next, the user asks to refine the code by changing the opacity to threshold and highlight a region of interest. The code is further refined by asking it to change the color map. The requested color map is plasma. However, LLMs are not always perfect. Instead, VizGenie selects the Viridis color map, but from the same family of color maps as plasma. Finally, the visualization is refined by adding a black bounding box. In the case of missing features or misrepresented visualization parameters, the user can ask the agent to validate the code and correct the output. Please see our paper for full details on VizGenie.